So this video may get me in trouble. Yeah, it's gonna get me in trouble. Well, hey, little blues crew, it's Ron, and we're gonna have a little fun. And yeah, Farm Boy is gonna get in a little bit of trouble, but you know, Renee's on a trip right now. She's visiting our youngest daughter for a few days. I mean, I get bored, it gets lonely in the house. I only have a cat and a dog in here, so, you know, I love my animals, and sometimes you just wanna, you know, spend some time with them. So, in this video, we're gonna spend a little time kind of watching some movies with my favorite animals. So, I mean, why not? I got Goldie here today. She's one of my favorite chickens, and you know, the chicken thing goes back. Maybe Renee could blame my mother, since when I was little, kind of talked mom and dad into getting me some chickens, and next thing you know, they might have gotten in the house once or twice. I mean, they were my pets. So, Mom, I guess we're gonna blame you on that one. Now, Renee's gonna blame me. That's okay. She picked out a favorite movie. We're gonna see kind of what she picked. Chicken Run. Can chickens fly? That's kind of the big question we all want to know, Goldie. You're saying they can, huh? I think we all love a little Chicken Run movie, don't we? I can appreciate that. Goldie and I are gonna sit back. I got a little chicken scratch here and watch a little movie together, aren't we, Gold? Before bedtime, and then we'll get you back on the roost.
Introducing Alkaraz Band.
I guess Goldie wanted to play a little pinball before she took off to the roost after our movie. I didn't know you could play pinball, Goldie. Can you get over, can you get those claws over there on those controllers? Okay. Well, there you go. Oh. So you want to play a little video game action, huh? Yeah, you can just, there you go. Use your beak. Oh, the buttons are over there though, hon. You gonna play a little Aladdin? All right, here you go. That's right, you got it, girl. Oh, you gotta read the story so you know what's going on there. All right, ready? Here you go. Over here. Here we go. There you go, you got it. There you go. Here you go, ready? Okay. Oh, can you move the joystick? You hit the button right there. Oh, we're on coals. I don't know if this is your game. Maybe Pac-Man. Well, Goldie and I had a fun movie and game night. I think we might have a couple other animals come visit. I guess we'll see. We'll see how much trouble I can get into on this whole venture. Renee may not leave me alone. She may get a babysitter next time she leaves town. I'm not sure. It'll be interesting, but we're having fun with the animals. I mean, when your living room has a bunny habitat for our giant Flemish, Renee's kind of used to having some animals around. This is Padme and Leia. Yeah, they're in our living room. Just for until the spring hits, and they'll be out in the farm. But they were babies. We didn't have the spot for them outside. So what do? You bring them in your house. I mean, they're litter box trained. They're awesome. I may be sleeping out in the barn with you. Yeah. Hey, and for those of you that think it's kind of crazy to talk to a chicken, yeah, it's a thing. You can get a book. Well, come on in, Luce. How's it going? Do you want to watch a movie? Lucy, I got the popcorn. Come on, girl. Here. Luce. Come on. Yeah? Which movie do you want to watch?
After saving planet Earth for the 500th time, Thor set off on...
That's your favorite scene.
Very, very impressive what you did back there.
Oh. Did you want some popcorn? Popcorn? It's your favorite. There's some popcorn, baby. Are you enjoying your Thor movie? You like those goats, don't you? Yeah, they're pretty cool. Are they related to you at all? Just curious. Maybe? More popcorn? Here you go, babe. I like having movie nights with my favorite goat. You're pretty cool, you know that? I mean, Renee's not home. She won't know. Lucy, do you want to play some Space Invaders? So you say pinball's more your thing? Whoops. Alright, I'll help you with the plunger. There we go. For having hooves, you're not too bad. Oh, good job. You're pretty good at pinball. Probably a little easier than Space Invaders, huh? Yeah. This one has squirrels on it. Kind of a cool game. Yeah, you get your pinball skills from me. Hey, Bo. What movie? Oh, what movie do you want to see? Yeah, you're not sure? Let's see what we got. Come on. Good boy.
Boom, baby! In a faraway land, a selfish emperor ruled. He had everything he wanted. She wanted everything.
What, you want to play video games? I don't know if that's going to work, buddy. Here, let's watch The Emperor's New Groove.
He's a friend.
Well, come on in, Big Bird. You want to watch a movie too? Okay, let's go. We can go downstairs and watch a movie. Yeah. I think I know what you're going to want to watch too. All right, buddy. Let's go down to the movie room. Yeah, I got your favorite. I got your favorite seat and everything.
That make me happy to be a bird. I'm a bird and I'm big, yes I'm one tall fellow.
Yep, that's who you're named after, buddy.
Yellow. I'm a big bird, yes, my initial.
I mean, you're not yellow, but you're a big bird, dude.
Happy to be me. I love to move.
There could be worse names. Could be worse.
My big orange feet. I'll do a happy dance so the whole world can see. I'm glad to be the way I am. So glad to be the way I am. I'm glad to be the way I am. I'm happy to be me. Take a look at my face, got a really long beak, a great big smile, and it helps me to speak. And so I'll say it loud and I'll say it proudly. I'm glad to be the way I am. I'm glad to be the way I am. So glad to be the way I am.
I love movie nights with you, Big Bird. You're the best.